Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to get real-time market data on TradingView. First, head over to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Then, hover over Products at the top and click on Market Data. Scroll down and you'll see a list of data sources showing which ones offer real-time data and how much they cost. Click Show All to view everything. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a button that says Subscribe to Real-Time Markets. Click it, and from here you can choose between a monthly or annual plan depending on your needs. However, there's an important note. If your broker already provides real-time market data, you might not need to pay for it again. To check this, open your trading panel at the bottom of your TradingView chart, click Show All Brokers, and see which brokers are available. If your broker supports real-time data, just connect your account here and TradingView will automatically use that data feed while you're connected. So you have two options, either subscribe directly through TradingView or connect a broker that already includes real-time data access. That's it. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me and see you in the next one.